the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It is the latest compact and powerful drone from DJI, designed to offer exceptional performance in a lightweight package. Let's dive into what makes this drone a standout choice. It's capable of reaching speeds of up to 16 meters in S mode or sport mode and can ascend and descend at speeds of 5 meters per second. You can fly it up to 4,000 meters high with the standard battery, but if you use the larger efficient flight battery plus, not available in Europe, the maximum altitude is 3,000 meters. The drone can fly up to 34 minutes with the standard battery and up to 45 minutes with the larger battery. It handles wind speeds of up to 10.7 meters per second, so it's reliable in breezy conditions. For navigation, it uses GPS, Galileo, and Beidou systems for accurate positioning and has a range of up to 20 kilometers in optimal conditions. For the camera, the Mini 4 Pro is equipped with a powerful 48 megapixel camera with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor. It has a wide-angle lens with an 82.1 degrees of field of view and an aperture of 1.7, capturing bright and detailed images. The camera supports a variety of modes, including 12 megapixel and 48 megapixel single shots, burst, shooting, and timed shots. It records up to 4K at up to 60 fps and FHD at up to 200 fps for smooth, high-quality footage. The camera supports 10-bit color modes for vivid and accurate colors. Gimbal and stabilization. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures your shots are smooth and steady, even during fast movements. It can tilt from -90 degrees to 60 and has a maximum control speed of 100 degrees second, making it flexible for capturing different angles. Sensing and obstacle avoidance. The Mini 4 Pro features omnidirectional sensing with binocular vision systems and a 3D infrared sensor. It can detect obstacles from all directions, front, back, sides, top and bottom, ensuring safer flights even in complex environments. Battery and charging. The standard battery provides up to 30 minutes of flight time, and the larger Intelligent Flight Battery Plus extends this to 45 minutes. Charging the standard battery takes about 70 minutes with a 30-watt USB-C charger, while the larger battery takes about 101 minutes to charge. Storage and accessories. The drone comes with a 2 GB of internal storage and supports micro SD cards up to 512 GB. It's recommended to use a high-performance cards because it provides the best results. Controller and transmission. The DJI RC-N2 controller offers up to 6 hours of operation time and supports a variety of mobile devices. It has a strong transmission range with a video quality of up to 1080 60 fps and a maximum transmission distance of 20 kilometers in optimal conditions. And the more expensive RC2 controller has a built-in screen with the same amount of performance and battery life. In conclusion, it's a top choice for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. Whether you are capturing a stunning aerial photos or recording high-quality videos, the Mini 4 Pro delivers exceptional performance, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to elevate their content creation or simply enjoy the thrill of flying. And that's the end of this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. See you next time and bye.